Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to be talking about how I make an income on Fiverr as a content creator. So Fiverr is a website/app that is made for freelancers to offer their services. Alternatively, it also has a buyer side so that buyers can come and purchase freelance services. Now, freelance services can be really anything that you have a skill in and that you can sell. You're working for yourself, you're not working under anyone else. What I do is I do video content creation. Basically, I'm helping out Amazon sellers and small businesses promote and create content for their product. Unboxing videos, product reviews, product demonstrations, and basically just videos encompassing details and important information about the product that I'm provided with. I started on Fiverr in October of 2020 during the pandemic. I was looking for a way to make money online, and this was actually recommended to me. So I started by trying just random gigs just to see what worked for me and what I was good at. I had some really random things such as like dating advice, which I never gave any dating advice. I am not qualified to do that. Handwritten letters, product unboxing videos, and that one got more orders or more attention than any of my other gigs. And I started to realize I think I'm pretty good at talking to a camera and setting up kind of just an informational talking video session. So I started doing that and I started to get a lot more orders for product unboxings. I have added some very similar but new services since learning that that was my successful one and that that's what I was good at. All of my listings are related around some kind of product video content creation. I have a listing for product unboxings, product reviews, product demos, and I found that works really well for me. But there's lots of other categories that you can capitalize on Fiverr, such as writing, copywriting, video, photography, and search engine optimizing, social media like growth, creating like Shopify websites. There's so much on Fiverr that you can offer and that you can also search for as well. My first piece of advice, if you'd like to start making an income on Fiverr, is don't be scared to try things. You can always upload listings and then take them down if they don't really seem to serve you. Once you've decided on what you want to start freelancing with, I would recommend making your profile look as warm and welcoming and professional as possible. Professional doesn't always mean like business. What I mean by professional is polite, you respond to your messages quickly, and all of your listings look trustworthy and appealing to the eye. I have a consistent theme with all of my thumbnails and all of my descriptions so that when buyers check out my page, they know that I'm consistent with a certain type of freelance service. Buyers can go into the search bar and they can search up the type of service that they need. So I try to make my thumbnail as captivating and as eye-catching as possible while still looking professional in hopes that of all of the listings, my listing is the one that they'll click on. My third piece of advice, if you'd like to start making an income on Fiverr, is treat it like it's your actual job. Respond promptly to all your messages, be really polite to your buyers, try not to leave anyone on red, and just do your absolute best when creating your work. Reviews really go a long way on Fiverr. When an order gets completed, the buyer can go ahead and rate the experience with your project, with your communication, just the overall experience of working together. Just like any other social media platform or website, Fiverr does have an algorithm. You are going to learn so much along the way. If you decide to start listing freelance services on Fiverr, you will have some buyers who want revisions on your orders or changes, but that's totally fine. You're learning about just freelancing and working for yourself in general, and I think that is so incredibly valuable. I've tried to get started on other freelance sites before, but there is none as trustworthy and as safe, I would say, as Fiverr. I've learned so much about my craft and about content creation just from being on Fiverr for these last couple of months, and it's been a really great supplemental income for me as well. You set the prices on your services. Now, when I started, I didn't know what I was capable of, and I didn't know exactly what people wanted, so I listed my listings as very cheap. As time went on and I realized my skill and what I was good at and the time and effort that I put into these videos, I started to slowly increase my prices until they reflected my work and what I felt was a good, fair price for what I can do. I think the most important piece of advice though is to believe in yourself. Know that if you have something that you're good at and you think it can sell, believe that it will sell, because trust me, it will. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment. Go ahead and subscribe if you'd like to stay around. I think I'm gonna be creating some more Fiverr videos the more I learn and the more I grow in my freelance journey. And you can follow my socials if you would like. Subscribe, like the video, and comment. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.